a lifelong Vikings fan. In Quasi we trust. I believe in the brother. I'm going to believe in his leadership. And one thing I wouldn't be mad at is if he cut Dalvin Cook or traded Dalvin Cook. I love Dalvin Cook, but how many times this year on 3rd and 1 did we pass instead of run the ball? Dalvin Cook is explosive, but in order for us to keep the offense on the field and get the defense off the field, especially last season, we needed that 3rd and 1. We needed to convert that play. We needed that play converted. And time after time, we didn't rely or give the ball to Dalvin Cook on 3rd and 1, 3rd and 2, 3rd and 3. Is that the offensive line? I think Dalvin Cook just needs, like that Saquon Barkley run in the playoffs against the Giants, where Dalvin Tomlinson had him kind of contained, and Saquon Barkley kept driving until he found it. And so Dalvin Cook doesn't have that level this time. He can get you some yards, but when you need that 3rd and 3, he'll get you 2 6 times out of 10. We need that to be more 8, 9, 10 out of 10. He's not there right now, but that's what we need in our back in this offense that I see last year from Kevin O'Connell. So if we lose Dalvin Cook and we go younger or draft somebody or get a free agent that can get us 3 yards on 3rd and 2, I'll take that. Yeah,